This is the dosing Smartwash, and I'm going to go through the major features of how you use the system today. So the input water coming from the street is connected here on the front of the unit. You control on and off with this valve over here. So turn it off, no water to the operator. Operators drop the wand or something, you want to turn it off, that's your on-off valve. Alright, turn it on and the water goes through a large filter that you change annually through the dosing system. It picks up the chemical through this mixer and then presents it to the wand with 200 feet of clear braid hose on here. So you can choose between two sources with this source valve. So if you want to be spraying your bleach solution, you set this to bleach, and there's an instruction on here as to what the setting is. And if you then want to switch to a post-rinse neutralizing agent and rinse off the siding or the deck, you can switch this valve and it'll then present that mixture out to the sprayer. So that's a nice feature. Then once it's empty, you would onboard bleach from here, and this choice valve decides where you're going to send the bleach to. It can send it off to the tank in the back, all right? And then it has a pump on board. As soon as you're ready to start loading it from your 55-gallon drum, using a stinger connected to this, flip on the switch, load up the bleach tanks, you're ready to go.